Hi guys! Today we're going to be talking about investing in mutual funds. What do we need to look for? What are the steps that we need to take? Let's go. Mutual funds are kind of like people. The only way to find out which are the good and which are the bad is to get to know them. But unlike people and mutual funds, you can actually find out more information on what's called a prospectus. Most of the time, you can find out more information or even the prospectus about that mutual fund using their ticker symbol. I'm going to share 6 important features that you need to review before you select that fund to invest in. Number 1, objective. The summary of the fund's goal as well as the type of investments that it will make to achieve that goal. Look at the funds that fall into these 4 categories: growth, growth and income, aggressive growth, and international. Number 2, fund manager experience. As with any job, you want to make sure that you find a fund manager that's been doing this for a while, at least 5 to 10 years. If they're responsible for managing that fund that you're investing in, you want to make sure that you choose one that has experience and knows what they're doing. Number 3, sectors. Sectors refers to types of businesses that fund invests in, such as financial services or healthcare. This means that this fund is well diversified. Number 4, performance, which is rate of return. You want a history of strong returns for any fund that you choose. Focus on long-term returns, 10 years or longer if possible. Sure, the actual rate of return matters, but you want a fund that consistently outperforms funds that are in the same category. Number 5 is cost. Dave Ramsey recommends you get a front-end load fund, which means you pay all the fees and commissions upfront. And this allows your fund to grow without having to be bogged down by all the management fees long term. Also, pay attention to the fund's expense ratio. If it's more than 1%, then it is considered expensive. And last one, turnover ratio. Turnover ratio means how often does the investments get bought and sold within the fund. A low return ratio of 50% or less shows that the management team has confidence in their investments and isn't trying to time the market for bigger returns. I know it sounds like a lot of information, but all you have to do is find the right investor like we talked about in our last video. It's very important that you find a person that can help you and explain all this for you. I hope that you found that information helpful. If you like this video, go ahead and hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss any videos like this. I really appreciate all of you guys so much, and I hope that you have a wonderful week. See you in the next video. Bye.